Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We've got our Goldie Box. I am holding this with one hand because I am He-Man Masters of the Universe. It is super heavy, so let's get into it and check it out. If you are new to Goldie Box, Goldie Box is the box you always wanted and didn't even know you needed. It is a 100% customizable box. Choose how many products you'd like to have, by which bear you'd want to be, and then once you decide that, everybody chooses from the same item, except if you are a gold bear, which is what I choose to be, you will have a gold bear exclusive item. And if you become a silver bear, you will have a silver bear exclusive item, but you can have that if you're a gold bear too. Let's just start getting into it. I don't remember. This is 100% customizable. I picked every item in here. So there's 0% excuse why I should not know every item that I'm getting ready to open. But if you've been around the channel long enough, you know, yeah, I don't know what's in here. I remember a couple things. I remember my glass. I am super excited about the glass that we made the Gold Bear exclusive because I drink my Java in the morning. I love my Java. I'll put a card at the end of this. And I like to do it in a pretty glass. And I thought this one would be perfect for it because I know it's getting cold, but I still do cold drinks. We open it up. I'm going to move some of the cardboard packaging out of the way. This is what it looks like. We have our paper information. That is what we have on the inside. I still don't see what's so heavy. Do you guys remember what was heavy in these boxes? Don't remember. There are several things on top of the fact that you get to fully customize it and there are great products to love about Goldie Boxed. One, Jessica. If you've been around the channel a while, you know that Jessica, who was over at Everything Proof Beauty, and I have become friends. She decided to do her own box. I feel so proud of her for taking this on. She has done such a fantastic job. She sat back in the beginning and she said, what is it about all of these sub boxes that we're getting that we wish we could improve upon? And one of the things that everybody seemed to agree on was customization, that it comes in categories, and sometimes there's categories you want everything in, and there are categories that you want nothing in. So wouldn't it be better just to have one big category and you can pick what you want? So that's what she did. There are 3 different bears that you can be. There's the bronze bear, and from the 14 available items you will pick 3, and you will also get a bronze bear bonus, and that is $29.99. Or for $44.99 you can be a silver bear. You will choose 5 items from the 15 available because you have that silver bear exclusive. And there will be 2 bonuses because you will get the bronze bonus and the silver bonus. Or, and what I have here is you can be a gold bear. You choose 7 of the 16 available items because you will have access to the silver and gold bear exclusives. And you will get 3 bonus items because you will get the bronze, the silver, and the gold bear bonus. So if you're a gold bear, it is $59.99, but you will have 10 products. And everybody, except for the 2 exclusive ones, will have had access. So you could be a bronze bear. And if what you were after were the 3 most expensive items, and they weren't the exclusives, you could absolutely get them. There's also a surprise bear box. You will get 3 products, and it is $21.99. And most of the packing that she uses is from reused cardboard boxes that she has a machine that makes it into packaging. So she's very aware of that. For each box sold, a tree is planted. There's just nothing not to love. Okay, let's get into the products. I have my paperwork that will tell us a little bit about everything we need to know. Digging right in on top. I have my happy hat. That's what I'll be calling it, my happy hat. Yep, I went for a hat. I thought if it looked cute, and I think it does, it might get to go to Disney with me. You know, some days you just, bad hair day, too much sun. It's got a nice hole in the back. I can pull a ponytail through if I want. I love that the thing that sizes it is a slide. It's just a really nice feeling hat, and I think it is super cute. And I don't generally, you guys know if you've been around the channel, I don't generally like me in hats, but this is cute. Shall I just leave the hat on? I feel kind of like I want to. It blocks me from my ring light. Guys, maybe I should just always tape in a hat. It's my new taping hat. This is the AKK, maybe ACK, I'm not sure, Smile Design, because smile, ponytail friendly baseball cap in black or khaki. Yeah, I chose the black. Khaki might have been a better choice for color, especially if I'm going to wear it to Disney World because of the heat absorption with black, but I look better on black. So vanity wins out. $19.99 value. Next out we have, ooh, my tote bag. I chose it because I can't not choose a tote bag. I am legally responsible to choose all tote bags. It's just who I am. This is much bigger than I thought it was going to be. That is, oh, look how cute. Let your light shine. And it's got that nice fall moon, and it's got a kitty and a snake and an eye, a mushroom and a planet, and it's got this nice floral. That is really pretty, and it's just a nice light canvas design. Oh, it's got the gusseted bottom. I love it when they can sit flat. Nice, good length on the strap so you can wear it on your shoulder. Yep, I love that. What does it say? Where is it? Sycamore Creek Makers, $16 value, fall, let your light shine canvas tote with 3-inch gusset. All right, they say that has a $16 value. That seems very fair. Something in here, and I suspect I have a candle. It smells heavenly. Next I have apple cinnamon. Apple cinnamon, you guys know I can't not pick a candle. It is clean burning, natural, hand poured. Oh, it smells so good. Smell? Isn't that apple cinnamon delightful? Smells so good. This is from River Branch. It is a $15 value, and it says a past pet-friendly candle in the scent apple cinnamon. Well, excellent. Oh, next out, and who doesn't want this? I have the Almost Famous magnifying mirror. You guys know I'm getting blind as a bat, and this has a, I don't know how much I can show you without, this is tough to show, but it's a 15 times mirror on one side with suction cups, so you could like attach it. Like I have a big vanity mirror, I might attach it to the corner of, or I might put it in the shower. No thank you. No, 15 times. That's aggressive right there, my friend. Oh my gosh, oof. 15 times is really close. Okay, let's see what it says. Almost Famous 15 times mirror that will suction to multiple surfaces and has an anti-fog property, so it would be good in the shower. Has a $34.99 value, and that is true. Those high multiple mirrors can be really expensive. Next out, and you guys know there was no way, I had no idea this was this thick. There was no way I wasn't going to do a book. This is huge. I thought this was going to be super thin. Can you guys tell how big that book is? It is a gratitude side chick. Do not have a side chick, and don't write about it if you do. Sidekick journal. Live every day with real gratitude. 5 minutes per day, accountability, daily progress, science-based. You already have everything you need to be happy, is what it says on the back. We have our table of contents, and it is 191 days, I guess. Their mission in creating the journal. There's a whole lot of instruction and the hi and the how and all of that. When you get to the content, it says day 1, pro tip, don't avoid the negative. And this is like what I am grateful for, optional theme, relationships. I love that prompt because so often you sit down and every day you want to write, I'm thankful for my husband or my grandkids or my kids. I always seem to skip them. And then benefits. I'm feel happier, feel creative. What I'm taking for granted in my life. So it's just going to be different prompts every day. That is a really, really neat idea. I'm glad I got that. I'm grateful that I chose this. And by the way, this is from Habit Nest. It says it's a daily science-based journal for sleep or gratitude. I didn't get the sleep one because I don't sleep. So, and I know that, and I don't need anybody else nagging me about it. And it has a $28.90 value. Next out. Oh, this is what I've been waiting for. This is the one thing that I absolutely remembered that I ordered, and I have been so looking forward to this because every morning I have iced coffee, and I just thought this would be so cute with my iced jobbies in it in the morning. That how cute is that? Can you guys tell? I hope I'm doing it justice. It is just a clear glass. It has the fun tops that are so in now, the way they come up and in. It has pumpkins all over it. Here, is that better? I'll just do it a million ways and we'll see in editing how it shows best. Coffee and Goodreads. It has a $19 value and it says a handmade gold pumpkin glass for your favorite hot or cold beverage. I couldn't get it too hot because I couldn't hold it, but yeah, that is just like a perfect size for my iced coffee. All right, and my last choice, and then we'll get into the bonuses. We have the TaylorMade Soaps Pumpkin Spice. Okay, you guys know I love homemade soaps because I do Lush and I just do so many. And how stinkity stankin' cute is that? And you also got this to put it on in the shower, and it's just a little soap coaster. Is that what they call it? Soap saver. And can you guys tell it's like all netting? So it will allow it to, the water to drip off of it, and it won't become a ooky goopy mess. You'll just put it right on it and it'll allow it to breathe. Yeah. This says that it is handcrafted artisan soap with eco-friendly glitter paired with a soap saver to preserve the look. I don't see glitter, just so we're clear. If it had glitter on it though, it would be eco-friendly. $17 value. I believe that because these homemade soaps are never inexpensive. Oh my gosh, I can smell the pumpkin spice. That smells so good. Yeah, this baby is going right into use. How cute is that? And that is the back. So that is awesome. That makes me very happy. I love homemade soaps, and it says pumpkin, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Okay, those were my choices. What we have left in here that I didn't know anything about are the bonuses. She does spoilers for the bonuses online. I'm generally not bright enough to work them out, which kind of makes me sad, but I kind of try to avoid them also. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at the paperwork now because I want to do them in order. If you're a bronze, you will have picked 3 items, and you will also get the bronze bonus, which is this. It is a makeup brush set. Is that what it says? No, makeup set. Rachel Couture, $10 value, a 3-piece vegan, am I holding that right? Yes. Makeup set, a brow pencil in black for darker hair, or use as a pencil liner if you have light hair, liquid eyeliner, and mascara, all of which are infused with hibiscus extract. So that sounds fantastic. I'm actually gonna leave it just like this so that I can either pass it along, or this would make a pretty good gift for one of my grandbabies. I like that it's vegan. So that was the bronze bear bonus. The silver bear bonus, so if you are a silver bear, in addition to your 5 products, you also got especially embroidered $7 value unpapered towels. They are an eco-friendly washable alternative that goes from single-use to reusable. Use them in place of paper napkins, paper towels, baby wipes, cleansing wipes, and more. So if you are a silver bear, you will have gotten the makeup also, but then you also get this. And it says core instructions: wash and dry with light colors. Do not use fabric softener. I'm gonna go ahead and open one up. This is super cute. Looks like it has, maybe has coffees on it. It feels, if you're holding it, it feels like a really light flannel. That's what it makes me think of, is a light flannel fabric. That is the size. I love, can we tell on this side? Yes. I love that it looks like vintage dishes. The blue ones, the light blue ones here, I actually have 3 old-fashioned vintage refrigerator dishes in that color. They are so cute. I love this. You know, I will absolutely use reusable. I love them. If I could get my husband off the paper towels, we'd have it made. Well, you know what? Let's just go ahead and open this one too. This is an excellent bonus. Actually, I would have picked this as one of my choices if it had been offered as a choice. This is really, really cute. These are fun. Little ice creams with sprinkles as the background on the black. I like that a lot. Yeah, I totally would have picked this as an item. And last out, if you're a gold bear, the bonus is, oh my goodness, a 1,400 pound bath bomb. This is so heavy. It is a pumpkin spice latte bath bomb made by Oily Blends LLC. It is 9.5 ounces, so it is more than half a pound. It's very lightly scented. I'm used to that hat there. How you doing, ma'am? It is very lightly scented in this, and it says Fall Coffee Cup Bath Bombs. Bath bombs are individually shrink wrapped. The scent is pumpkin spice latte, taking the fall love of pumpkin spice to the next level, and it has a $10 value. I am really tempted to open this, but I don't think I'm going to because I have quite a few open, and I suspect it's keeping the scent in there, and we're getting ready to leave town in just a couple days, so I probably won't get to it before we get back, but that is also something I would have chosen. You guys know I'm going to pick all the, kind of like I picked the soap. I would have picked this also. Okay, that is my Goldie Boxed. So I have the 7 items as a Gold Bear member that I chose, plus my 3 bonuses. My bonuses were the Rachel Couture Eye Kit Trio, the reusable paper towels, washcloths, washing alternative items, and this really, really heavy, oh, I got it that time. Really, really heavy pumpkin spice. Yeah, I'm keeping him wrapped because I think he smells really good in there. Latte, 2 of my favorite things, pumpkin spice and latte. And then my 7 choices were this journal, which is bigger and better than I anticipated. I'm trying to do this so that I will have it stacked from a flat lay. The Almost Famous 15 times magnifier mirror, which if I had been more thoughtful, I wouldn't have gotten because it's difficult to show, and yet I really wanted it. We also have the, I know, but I wanted it. We have the tote bag. That's super cute. I chose the River Birch Apple Cinnamon Candle and the TaylorMade, I mean, how stinking cute is that? The TaylorMade soaps that came with this soap holder from Finchberry. But how cute is that? I have my cup that I have been waiting for to put my iced Java in. Really looking forward to that. And I almost forgot my hat. my happy hat to show that I'm happy. He probably gets to go to Disney. He should be happy too. Let me tell you really quickly what you could have chosen that I didn't choose. You could have chosen a Bella Pierre $40 travel brush set that included 5 brushes and a small case. You could have chosen the Chickadee Energize and Revitalize with several anti-aging ingredients in a grapefruit serum that had a $20.50 value. I chose the Gratitude Journal. You could have chosen the Sleep Journal. You could have chosen the Latin Beauty avocado shaped and inspired palette with gorgeous green and mustard shades. It is very pretty, but I already own it. It has a $19.99 value. The Minimo, which is a face brand skincare line that Jessica is loving, and you know she knows all things that are good for your face. $19.95 Velvet Cleansing Balm to gently remove makeup and moisturize at the same time. You could have chosen the Paris Loft Magnetic Picture Board with a farmhouse home look, $19. The Pretty Simple Mini Stone Beaded 5-strand bracelet. Actually, that ended up turning into a different bracelet. There was sourcing issues, and she got a different bracelet to replace that. There was the Rory acrylic paint set with a wooden figure project of a Bollywood star or samurai. There was a Soon Skincare $18 hand mask that's shea butter that leaves your hands feeling soft and healthy. And then the Zen Arome oil warmer that's easy to set up with tea candle in black Kalos or white plumeria. It had a $25.19 value. All beauty products are cruelty free. The value of my box of the items that I chose were $151. This is a $59.99 box. And once the bonuses are added in, it is a $178 value. So almost exactly 3 times the value of what I spent. Another great box from Goldie Box. If you have any questions about Goldie Box, let me know below. If I don't have the answers, I know where to find them. And I hope I see you again really soon. I hope you're having a great fall. This was our fall box. We don't customize winter until the first day of winter because that's how she rolls. We do the season in the season. And I kind of like that because it makes it more seasonal, and B, we're not getting it at the exact same time all the other boxes are rolling in. Okay, thank you again so much for coming by. I appreciate you being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you soon, guys. I can't take the hat off. I have hat hair now. Bye.